Oh yeah, first pick.
Would you like something to eat?
I do. Damn it. Oh God. That's where it was. It was behind the damn chicken. First two picks I got.
Would you like to order dinner now?
Pick the steak.
Fish.
I don't believe this. I'm picking, I know. I'm bad at 50-50 picking.
No more cheese.
You can't fly this plane.
Where did you get that dress? Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit smoking.
Nice. Golden ticket.
Well, you found a ticket. The first class ticket will later multiply your biggest pick.
Yeah, my biggest pick. My biggest pick is freaking huge.
Take 5.
No.
Pick the right auto to fly back to...
I hope you enjoy the rest of your flight. Keep smiling.
Get that finger out of your ear.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus. Select a first class seat to multiply your biggest pick.
Yeah, I got a 5. Hey, I found the 5. I screwed that up so badly, though. Yeah, sure. Nice.